Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, Eastern Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina, Union County in upstate South Carolina, Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:58 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Greenville downtown to 11 miles east of Anderson to 7 miles east of Alberton, moving east at 105 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenville downtown, Greenwood, Lawrence, Union, Abbeville, Alberton, Greenville East Side, West Greenville, Malvern, and Simpsonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Albert, Georgia, and the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Greenville, Greenwood, Lawrence, Spartanburg, and Union. In upstate South Carolina, Southeastern Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina, Union County in upstate South Carolina, Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gaffney to 14 miles southeast of Abbeville, moving east at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Raw Hill, Greenwood, Gaffney, Lawrence, Union, York, Chester, Fort Mill, Clement, and Antigua. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Cherokee, Chester, Greenwood, Lawrence, Spartanburg, Union, and York. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Columbia County in east central Georgia, Burke County in east central Georgia, southeastern McDuffie County in east central Georgia, southeastern Lincoln County in east central Georgia, Richmond County in east central Georgia, Fairfield County in central South Carolina, Newberry County in central South Carolina, western Lexington County in central South Carolina, Saluda County in central South Carolina, Aiken County in central South Carolina, southeastern McCormick County in central South Carolina, Edgefield County in central South Carolina, northwestern Ridgeland County in central South Carolina, until 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Clinton to near Thompson-McDuffie County Airport, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Aiken, North Augusta, Lexington, Grovetown, Irmo, Evans, Newberry, Waynesboro, Batesburg, Leesville, Winsboro, Fort Eisenhower, Aiken Mall, BC Summer Nuclear Station, Belvedere, Augusta, Clearwater, Martinez, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, Edgefield, and markers 177 and 201. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile marker 0 and 49. Interstate 26 between mile marker 62 and 100. Interstate 520 in Georgia between mile markers 1 and 15. Interstate 520 in South Carolina between mile markers 16 and 23. Interstate 77 between mile markers 40 and 50. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop. This is the note. Southwestern Lancaster County in central South Carolina. Lee County in central South Carolina. Calhoun County in central South Carolina. Southeastern Chesterfield County in central South Carolina. Lexington County in central South Carolina. Western Sumter County in central South Carolina. Northeastern Aiken County in central South Carolina. Northwestern Orangeburg County in central South Carolina. Richland County in central South Carolina. Kershaw County in central South Carolina until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 7 miles southwest of Great Falls to 6 miles southeast of Ridge Spring, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Sumter, Lexington, West Columbia, Vermont, Forest Acres, Camden, Pittsburgh, Leesville, Winsboro, Eastville, Springdale, Dentsville, Oak Grove, Shire Base, Lake Watery Dam, St. Andrews, McIntyre Air Base, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, and Red Bank. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 27 and 126. Interstate 26 between mile markers 92 and 138. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 51. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. So, Central North Carolina, Davidson County in Central North Carolina, Northwestern Montgomery County in Central North Carolina, Randolph County in Central North Carolina, Northern Stanley County in Central North Carolina, Guilford County in Central North Carolina, until 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:29 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Winston-Salem to near Lexington to near High Rock Lake, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Steeds, Trinity, Baden, Fishtails Marina, Alliance, Denton, New London, and Lexington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Montgomery, and Stanley. County in central South Carolina until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 8 miles northeast of Beaufort to near Elgin, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. North Central Kershaw County and Central South Carolina. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sherrall, Tideland, Kershaw, Chesterfield, Heath Springs, Sherrall State Park, Northeastern Technical College, Sherrall Municipal Airport, Carolina Sand Hills Wildlife Refuge, Mount Pisgah, Jefferson, Ruby, Patrick, Mount Croydon, Chesterfield Ruby Middle School, Sherrall Fish Hatchery, Central High School, High Point Fire Station, Tradesville, and Bay Springs Fire Station. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Lancaster, South Carolina. Southeastern Stanley County in central North Carolina, northwestern Hope County in central North Carolina, until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's 7:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Albemarle to 6 miles northeast of Marshville to near Westville, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator. Locations impacted include Woods Falls Lake, Aberdeen, White Store, Covington, Pekin, Biscoe, Carthage, Southern Pines, East Rockingham, and Mormon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Montgomery, Richmond, and Stanley. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wabashan County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, Darlington County in northeastern South Carolina, northwestern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina, until 9 a.m. At 8:05 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Chesterfield to 7 miles southeast of Elgin, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Florence, Bennettsville, Hartville, Dillon, Darlington, Red Springs, Pembroke, Maxton, Timmonsville, McCall, Latta, Roland, Limmer, Quinby, Clio, Sellers, Blue Brick, Hammer, Brownsville, and Darlington Raceway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please send your North Carolina, northwestern Moore County in central North Carolina, Person County in central North Carolina, Orange County in central North Carolina, Granville County in central North Carolina, northeastern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, eastern Randolph County in central North Carolina, eastern Guilford County in central North Carolina, northwestern Lee County in central North Carolina, northwestern White County in central North Carolina, Durham County in central North Carolina, Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Graham, Steves, Willamette, Siler City, Harper's Crossroads, Parkwood, Bahama, Alton, and Staley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Montgomery, North Carolina. Eastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Cumberland County in central North Carolina, Lee County in central North Carolina, southwestern Wake County in central North Carolina, southwestern Johnston County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina, southeastern Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms are located below. Moving east at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aberdeen, Cameron, Falcon, Carthage, Southern Pines, East Rockingham, Dunn, Sanford, Anderson Creek, and Fort Liberty. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina.